Welcome. In front of me is a Poco X6, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application. Now you can see I already have a bunch of contacts right here. They are all being pulled from my Google account, which you can see right over here. So anyway, I'm just kind of pointing that out. So to start the import, all we need to do is select the fix and manage, and then manage SIM. This will in turn show us all the contacts that are located on our SIM card. If none of those contacts exist on your device, they should all be selected. But because the device automatically tries to import contacts to Google account, which for me already had a heck of a lot of different contacts, most of those already exist there, so it automatically deselects them and grays them out, so I won't import duplicate contacts, even though some of them already exist. Now, you can also choose to import your contacts to some other location, like, for instance, the device, or some other Google account if you have multiple signed in on your device. Once you have chosen your location, select import. It will ask us the stupidest question if we wanted to delete those contacts from our SIM card. No, we don't, because those contacts on the SIM card never get in our way unless we choose to display them. So it's a good backup safety net. If anything would happen with your phone, you can just simply pop out the SIM card, put it into another device, and you have all your contacts. Otherwise, if you choose that, if phone breaks, you have no contacts on your SIM card and you kind of, well, screwed. Now, anyway, now that the contacts have been imported, you can swap to the device and you can see all these contacts right over here. Additionally, you can also display contacts from things like your SIM card itself and obviously the Google account, which was previously selected. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.